What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. My name is Donnie Nguyen from Wolves of Investing, and today I'm going to be doing another video on the very important concept, invest in what you know. If you haven't already, check out the other video I made on this topic where I talk about how I apply this principle to selecting the stocks I own in my M1 Finance portfolio. Today I'm going to be doing a similar video, but instead I'm going to be talking about one of my retirement portfolios, which is currently up 42% with one trading day left in the year. So the S&P 500 is up 30% so far. As long as nothing crazy happens tomorrow on New Year's Eve, my portfolio will have beaten the market by 12 percentage points. So I am super excited about that, and I'm excited to share with you how I apply the invest in what you know principle towards selecting the stocks I own in that portfolio. So here I am in my retirement account. Some companies allow their employees to invest in individual stocks in their retirement account. The company I work for lets me do that through Fidelity Brokeragelink. I'm actually able to invest up to 95% of my retirement funds into Fidelity Brokeragelink. As you can see here, I currently have just over 62% of my retirement funds in Brokeragelink. My Brokeragelink balance is just over $53,000. And as of December 27th, my account is up 42.05%. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this account and talk about some of the stocks I own. So here I am in my portfolio. I'm not going to go through all of the stocks. I'm just going to go through my top 5 holdings. Before I get into the first stock, I want to mention that I wrote a blog post about the invest in what you know principle, and I'll leave a link to that blog post in the video description, so be sure to check that out. In that blog post, I write about how I break down what you know into 3 levels. In level 1, you actually know a lot about that particular product or service that the company offers, and you may use it on a regular basis. Level 2, you may not have that level of knowledge, but you have a lot of knowledge about that particular industry. And level 3, you may have some knowledge, but not much. And I try to just stick to companies in which I have level 1 or level 2 knowledge about their products and services. So the first stock on my list is Roku. Roku makes a device that can convert your TV into a smart TV. And I've been using Roku for several years now, and I really love my Roku. When the Roku stock IPO'd in 2017, I initially bought shares about a month after the IPO. I got in at around $40. A few months later, the stock shot up to $60. And then a few months later, the stock tanked and went all the way back down to $40. In which I picked up even more shares. As you can see here, the stock price is just under $134, and I made 200% on my investment. So I got a 3-bagger out of Roku. I wouldn't have been able to plow more money into Roku when it dropped had I not known about their product, had I not really liked their product and known how superior their product was to other products on the market. So had I not known about Roku and their actual products and services and used it, I may have gotten scared out of Roku when they dropped and may have got out of the loss like many other investors have. So that's really the advantage of investing in companies whose products and services you know extremely well. My next stock on the list is Okta. Okta makes identity management software. Okta is a company in which I have level 2 knowledge about their products and services. Although I've never used Okta software before, I've used other identity management software, and I really understand the importance of identity management in companies. So I feel very comfortable investing in Okta. Next up is Discover Financial Services, ticker DFS. I've had a Discover credit card since I was 18 years old, and I've also refinanced my mortgage through Discover. So I have level 1 knowledge about Discover's products and services. which is why I feel very comfortable investing in their stock. Next up is Fortinet, ticker FTNT. Fortinet is a cybersecurity company. Fortinet is another company in which I have level 2 knowledge about their products. Although I've never used Fortinet before, I am a strong believer in cybersecurity, and I understand the importance of cybersecurity. After researching the company a little more, I really think Fortinet is a great company, which is why I own their stock. The last stock I wanted to talk about was Goldman Sachs, ticker GS. Goldman Sachs is one of the largest investment banks in the world. Goldman Sachs is another company in which I have level 2 knowledge about their products. Although I've never used any products or services from Goldman Sachs before, I've been interested in bank stocks for a long time. And over the years, through self-study, I've learned how to value and invest in bank stocks. So I feel very comfortable owning Goldman Sachs stock. So I want to know what you guys think about invest in what you know. Do you guys use this principle when you're looking to invest in stocks? Drop me a line in the comment box below. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.